how to transfer WhatsApp stickers to new phone. So if you want to transfer WhatsApp stickers to a new phone, then in this process, firstly, you will have to open your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp application. Now go with the three dots which will be in the top right and then go with settings. Now once you're on your settings, you will get this kind of interface. You need to tap on chats, and under chats, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of transfer chats. Tap on transfer chats and then go with start, which will be on the bottom. To transfer the chat from your old phone to the new phone, you need to simply click on the transfer chat option, which will be on the bottom. And from here, you'll be able to transfer your chat history or your stickers, messages to your new Android phone. Simply do it from here, or alternatively, you can also do it from chat backup as well. To do that, you need to go back and then go with chat backup and back up everything to your Google Drive or your Google account. And then on your new phone, you need to go and log into your Google account and then log into your WhatsApp with that particular Google account. And in this way, you'll be able to transfer WhatsApp stickers to a new phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.